Okay, official confirmed lineup for Liverpool against Everton. First of all, I want you to call Arne Slot here. We want Ngumuha for second half. That means starting from 45 minutes. Okay, okay. So it's as usual for 2-3-1 formation, and as usual our keeper Georgi Mamardashvili Sobozlai. This one. So okay. Konate, Van Dijk, Robertson, Gravenberch, Jones, Gakpo versus Mo Salah and Isaac. So, guys, what is your prediction for this match? I'm not excited more if we win or not. I'm not excited anymore. Where is Frimpong? I mean, what Gakpo are doing here? ለማንኛውም ጋክፖ ከ45 ደቂቃ በኋላ ካጫወትከው ሌላ ችግር አለበት አንተ ሰውዬ rakkoo biraa qabda jechuudha yoo gaakoo daqiiqaa 45 booda tapsiisteetu hungumuu waan jiru rakkoo guddaa qabda jechuudha rakkoo guddaa qabda Robertsonii fi Salaan haa taphatanii tapha dhumaa jiraati በክረምት ስለሚሄዱ እነሱ ይጫወቱ ችግር የለም የምሬን ነው ችግር የለም የነሱ ማን ልባል ለማንኛውም ይሄን ይመስላል